Hi, Howard Weiss here. I'm here with Chuck Allgood of Chemours. Chemours has been conducting several classes on the next generation refrigerants. Chuck, would you mind taking a minute just bringing us up to date where we're going with new refrigerants?
Sure. Yeah, it's an important time in the refrigerants industry. There's a lot going on with the new regulations. I think most people are aware of. We're going to be getting away from some of the legacy refrigerants like 404, like 410 that we've been using, and transitioning in most part to A2L, mildly flammable refrigerants. So there's a lot of education work, a lot of codes and standards work, a lot of work we've done already with the equipment manufacturers to get the whole industry ready for this transition. So it's an important time to get informed about A2L refrigerants, how we're going to use them, where they're going to show up, and what people can expect in the future. So a lot of education and a lot of information to be shared in a relatively short period of time. We have a few years before these things will probably be rolling out in a big way, but it's not too soon for everybody to get up to speed on A2L, low GWP refrigerants.
It seems to me like this is going to happen a lot quicker than the last transition 20 years ago. So I think that just from what I've learned here, everyone really needs to start getting up to date on how to handle, store, transport them as soon as possible.
Absolutely. There's a lot of moving pieces in this industry. This is a great industry. It's a great conference for that. People want to learn. You hear the kind of train to trainer things. It's kind of a multiplier for getting out to everybody from the guys who are going to be working on the systems, people selling the refrigerants, designing around the refrigerants. So we have a lot of people we need to get on board and get up to speed. And we're moving that way, so it's exciting times.
That's great. Well, we appreciate the fact that you're always here to help support education in the HVAC industry. We hope you have a great show.
Thanks,
Thank
Howard.
you, sir.
Always good to be here.
Thank you.